Welcome everyone to HFN HueFin News. Today is April the 19th, 2020. Here to give you all this update in XRP to determine whether or not XRP is going to continue to see some movement higher, and will it be able to break 20 cents to the upside. If this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, because we're not here to confuse you. We're not here to waste your time. We're simply here to give you all the news according to the price chart and move on. So last time we did a video in XRP was on the 15th of April 2020, and you guys can tell that we were looking for the market in XRP to continue to see some movement to the downside, and we actually got that playing out. Okay, we ultimately had some support around 17 cents. The market ultimately in XRP came down to 17 and a half. All right, we had our TP around 18 cents, 17 and a half. So hopefully he was able to grab that 10.5% out the market in XRP. If not, I mean, there's many more opportunities in this space to grab profitability out. All right, so let's get rid of it. And I want to start you all off looking at XRP on the weekly time frame. And you guys can tell last week, was an indication that some sellers did come into the market. That 20 cents is still a pretty good area of restriction, and it bled into the market action for this current weekly price bar, right? But looking at where we're closing at now in XRP, the market is literally gearing towards more consolidational trading, and the prospect of it moving higher is still in play. Okay, now we did break this trend though in XRP from the ascending line higher to one of just sideways consolidational trading, which is why I just mentioned that XRP is leaning more towards that occurring, which is not a bad thing, because we can still allow the market to trade sideways between 18 cents to 20 cents, right? But so long as we get on the daily time frame strength, the market in XRP is still going to move higher. It's just going to take a little while longer, that's all. All right, so taking it back over to the daily time frame, this trend is broken in XRP. We got to acknowledge it. It is what it is. Can't nobody change it. It is what it is. So you just move on and you continue to formulate the forecast into the market in XRP. Now, nothing has changed. Okay, when I take this line here and I placate it and I move it up here to 20 cents, this is where the market in XRP needs to break above in order to really have a bullish move. And it is still showing that 20 cents is playing hard to get in XRP. If anything, the last couple of days in market in XRP we should have breaking above 20 cents and did not play out. This day right here, the 16th of April, was that hint that yes, the market in XRP should be able to do that, and we're not getting it yet on the daily time frame. So it tells you and I that that 20 cent level is still a restriction point in XRP. Okay, 3-hour chart XRP market is still giving us some hints of weakness. 2-hour chart, same thing. Market is giving us more hints of weakness. 1-hour chart, more hints of weakness. But the market doesn't look all that weak. We're just literally consolidating. Okay. So what should you do when you look at the price chart in XRP? Literally, you have to sideline it, because the market direction is not clearly seen on the price chart. The market participants are still out playing in the sand, trying to delineate what way they're trying to take XRP. And right now, when you look out on a daily time frame, the concern is 20 cents. The market has been holding this area for such a long period of time. I'm leaning more towards XRP moving higher in price, but 20 cents is the only problem that I'm seeing in the market right now. So let's see if we were to put in a forecast into the market for XRP to see some movement higher. And ultimately 18 cents will have to be support. It has to be. In order for us to really see breakage above 20 cents, the market in XRP cannot break below 18 cents off the top. Okay. So we're going to play the market in XRP to see some move higher, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes focused on 18 cents. We cannot see any weakness come through in XRP around 18 cents. 20 cents would be TP, because we already know previously that that is support, and then it was acting as restriction, and now it is still acting as restriction. But I mean, you'll get maybe 5.5% on the market move in XRP there. So we're going to continue to play some movement to the upside in XRP. We're going to have to play it out for a while. I'm not necessarily seeing a break up to the upside like tomorrow. It's possible, but from a probabilistic standpoint, I'm not seeing that. Okay, so we're just going to play this over the next couple of days in the market for XRP. All right, questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all later.